Let me show you how to make this delicious Nigerian soup you are seeing here. This soup is called Achi soup. If you're a lover of Nigerian soups and you have not tried this one, what are you waiting for? In fact, you are missing. This soup is very easy to prepare and it is very, very delicious, and it is less expensive to make. So these are the ingredients we are going to be using to make the soup. I will list all the ingredients down in the description box below, so please do not fail to check it out in order to get the soup correctly done. This soup can be paired with any swallow of your choice, be it pounded yam, fufu, eba, or whatever. It will just taste so good. So if you're a lover of Nigerian soups and you have been wanting to know how to prepare this particular one, then this video is the right one for you to watch. Do not go away, just sit tight and make sure to watch this video from the beginning to the end. Afterwards, I would like you to try it out. So right here, I already have my meat. This is goat meat already cooked before now. I kept that in my fridge. That is the goat meat with the stock water in it. So I just pour that into the pot and I covered it and allow it to boil. So once it started boiling, I now added my fish. That is the mackerel fish going in. And this is called ngolo in Nigeria. I don't know the English name. It's a local soup, so that is called, the local name for that is ngolo. And this one that I'm putting right now is ogiri. This is a local seasoning, mostly eaten by the Igbos, and this seasoning is perfect for this particular soup. That is my onion going in right now, diced onion. I'm using this pepper. This is dried chili pepper. I don't want to use the fresh one. I prefer using that for this soup. And now goes in my palm oil. Of course, we cannot do without palm oil in this soup because it gives it that beautiful and attractive look. So now I'm crushing in my cubes, my seasoning cubes. I'm just going to cover that and allow it to boil for some time. And now after about like 5 minutes, I opened it up. Now I'm going to stir, give it a little stir, in order to make sure everything is well combined, to make sure that the meat and the fish have married each other very well. So next, I'm adding in my blended crayfish, and I'm also going to be adding in some salt, a little bit of salt, because already I have used salt to cook the meat, so I'm just adding a little bit of that. And now this soup must not be so thick. In that case, I'm adding more water. The consistency must be light, not very, very thick. If it is thick, you will not like it. So I'm adding the water that will be enough to cook this soup. I'm adding the water to the consistency that I want. But if you want it to be very thick, no problem. You don't need to add more water. You can just leave it like that. So I'm just going to cover it up again and allow it to boil. Now after about 10 minutes, I'm here. I'm opening it up again. I'm just going to stir that a little bit again to make sure everything is in order. Guys, we are almost there. This is one soup that you can prepare just in a jiffy, as long as all the ingredients are set. It does not take time at all. So very soon our soup will be ready and you're going to see the delicious Achi soup that we have made. And finally, guys, the main ingredient for this soup is going in now. That is the Achi powder. You can see that is what I am putting in right now. That is a thickener. That is what will make the soup to thicken up. That is why I said earlier, you must not allow it to be so thick, as in you must add enough water. So I'm just giving it a good stir in order for the Achi powder to be well dissolved. If you do not do this, it will end up forming some lumps and you do not want that. So just give it a slight stir to make sure that it is well dissolved. You can see that our soup is already looking delicious. It's looking pretty well in that pot. You see, the soup is not difficult. So take your time and watch till the end, and I would love you to try the soup. You see, the soup is simple but very delicious. This is what you serve your in-laws and they will love you so much. This is the soup you serve your husband and the love will not end, as in the love will grow stronger. Because you see, this soup, it is gold. You know, this soup is gold. If you are living overseas, you can easily get access to all these ingredients from any of the African shop, from any of the African stores. You know, just go there and you will get all of these. I got mine from the African stores here. So even though you are in overseas, you can still enjoy the Nigerian soup delicacy. So if you have been watching up to this point, I appreciate it a lot. Thank you so much. You know, uziza leaf or oha leaf is used for this soup, but if you are in a place where you cannot lay your hands on uziza or oha leaves, you can make use of spinach or kale. You know, it will still be fine. So in this particular video, I'm using spinach because over here I could not find uziza or oha leaf. So look at it, it's looking so nice, looking delicious already, ready to be served. The soup is ready. You know, after adding the vegetables, you know, you don't need to leave it so long on the heat. You just have to turn off the heat right now and serve with your fufu, eba, or whatever swallow of your choice. Check out the sweetness of the soup. Check out how lovely it is. So are you going to be trying this? Please let me know in the comment section if you have tried eating the soup before, or if this is your first time that you would love to. Just in case there's anything you do not understand about the soup, please do not forget to drop that in the comment section and I will gladly respond to that. So it is time to eat. The food is ready, so let's just dish out into the plate. Thank you guys so much for watching this video up to this point. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. Thank you for watching today's video. Please remember to subscribe and turn on your notification for more. To all my returning subscribers, I appreciate you guys a lot for your support. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for liking, commenting and sharing. I appreciate a lot. So guys, that is all for today. We look forward to see you in our next video. Bye bye.